Good day to all. Let us see Biogeology 12th Standard Tamil Nadu State Board Syllabus Chapter 6 Evolution. Important points for 1 mark. Radiometric dating of meteorites yields an estimated age for the solar system and for Earth as around 4.5 to 4.6 billion years. Haldane coined the term prebiotic soup, and this became the powerful symbol of the Oparin Haldane view on the origin of life, 1924 to 1929. Woolly mammoth that lived 22,000 years ago were preserved in the frozen coast of Siberia as such. Darwin's finches, their common ancestor, arrived on the Galapagos about 2 million years ago. During that time, Darwin's finches have evolved into 14 recognized species differing in body size. Genetic variation in the ALX1 gene in the DNA of Darwin finches is associated with variation in the beak shape. Mild mutation in the ALX1 gene leads to phenotypic change in the shape of the beak of Darwin finches. Marsupials in Australia and placental mammals in North America are two subclasses of mammals. They have adapted in similar way to a particular food resource, locomotory skill or climate. They were separated from the common ancestor more than 100 million years ago, and each lineage continued to evolve independently. Over 2,000 species of marsupials live in Australia, along with many fewer species of placental mammals. Hardy of UK and Weinberg of Germany stated that the allele frequencies in a population are stable and are constant from generation to generation in the absence of gene flow, genetic drift, mutation, recombination, and natural selection. In a population, let's say that A allele has frequency P of 0.3 and A allele has a frequency Q 0.7, then P plus Q equal to 1. Hardy-Weinberg equation P plus Q square equal to P square plus 2PQ plus Q square. Mammals evolved in the early Jurassic period about 210 million years ago. The earliest fossils of the prehistoric man like Ramapithecus and Shivapithecus lived some 14 Maya and were derived from ape-like Dryopithecus. Australopithecus lived in East African grasslands about 5 Maya and was called the Australian ape man. He was about 1.5 meters tall with bipedal locomotion, omnivorous, semi-erect, and lived in caves. Low forehead, broad ridges over the eyes, protruding face, lack of chin, low brain capacity of about 350 to 450 cc, human-like dentition, lumbar curve in the vertebral column were his distinguishing features. Homo habilis lived about 2 Maya. Their brain capacity was between 650 to 800 cc and was probably vegetarian. They had bipedal locomotion and used tools made of chipped stones. Homo erectus, the first human-like being, was around 1.7 Maya and was much closer to human in looks. Skull was flatter and thicker than the modern man and had a large brain capacity of around 900 cc. Homo erectus probably are meat. Homo ergaster and Homo erectus were the first to leave Africa. Neanderthal human was found in Neander Valley, Germany with a brain size of 1400 cc and lived between 34,000 to 1 lakh years ago. Homo sapiens or modern human arose in Africa some 25,000 years ago and moved to other continents and developed into distinct races. They had a brain capacity of 1300 to 1600 cc. They started cultivating crops and domesticating animals. In the 1950s, the World Health Organization introduced the malaria eradication program. It is next topic, chapter 7. It is acidic environment. pH 3 to 5 retards the growth of microbes. Antibody level reaches peak in 7 to 10 days in primary immune response. Antibody level reaches peak in 3 to 5 days in secondary immune response. Within 2 to 3 days, the antibody concentration in the blood rises steeply to reach much higher level than primary response. Two identical light chains, L of molecular weight 25,000 Dalton, approximately 214 amino acids, and two identical heavy chains, H of molecular weight 50,000 Dalton, approximately 450 amino acids. HIV is seen as a spherical virus 100 to 120 nanometer in diameter. The envelope has glycoprotein GP spikes termed GP41 and GP120. HIV can survive for 1.5 days inside a cell but only about 6 hours outside the cell. Adolescence begins with a period of rapid physical and sexual development called puberty to maturity from 12 to 19 years of age. Alcoholics Anonymous was started in 1935 by a businessman and a doctor who had been a hopeless drunk for many years. UTI, urinary tract infection, is one of the most common bacterial infections affecting 150 million people each year worldwide. World Malaria Day is on 25th April. A small amount of curd added to fresh milk as a starter or inoculum contains millions of lactobacilli which under suitable temperature 40 degrees Celsius multiply and convert milk into curd. The Government of India approved National Policy on Biofuels in December 2009 and identified Jatropha carcass as the most suitable oil seed for biodiesel production. Domestic waste consists of approximately 99% water, suspended solids, and other soluble organic and inorganic substances. The Ganga Action Plan was launched on 14th January 1986. The Yamuna Action Plan is a bilateral project between the Government of India and Japan. It was formally launched in April 1993. The first bioherbicide developed in 1981 was a mycoherbicide derived from the fungus Phytophthora palmivora. Cyanobacteria secrete growth-promoting substances like indole-3 acetic acid, indole-3 butyric acid, naphthalene acetic acid, amino acids, proteins, vitamins, which promotes plant growth and production. The human insulin is synthesized by the beta cells of islets of Langerhans in the pancreas. It is formed of 51 amino acids which are arranged in two polypeptide chains, A and B. The polypeptide chain A has 21 amino acids while the polypeptide chain B has 30 amino acids. Production of insulin by recombinant DNA technology started in the late 1970s. The approval to use recombinant insulin for diabetes mellitus was given in 1982. In 1986, human insulin was marketed under the trade name Humulin. Best and Banting in 1921 isolated insulin from the pancreatic islets of a dog and demonstrated its effectiveness against diabetes. In 1997, Rossi, the first transgenic cow, produced human protein enriched milk which contained the human alpha-lactalbumin. The protein-rich milk, 2.4 gram per liter, was a nutritionally balanced food for newborn babies than the normal milk produced by the cows. Many factors are required for normal blood clotting process and the factor 8 is one of them. The genes for the formation of factor 8 is located in the X chromosome. A genetic defect in the synthesis of factor 8 results in hemophilia. Clotting factor 8 isolated from the blood of normal human being was used in the treatment of hemophilia A. Recombinant DNA technology was used to produce recombinant factor 8 in the Chinese hamster ovary and in the baby hamster kidney cells. More recently, a cell line of human origin has been used for the first time to produce human blood clotting factor 8. Based on the structure of interferons, they are classified as alpha, beta and delta interferons. Genetic immunization by using DNA vaccines is a novel approach that came into being in 1990. The recombinant vaccine for hepatitis B, HBsAg, was the first synthetic vaccine launched in 1997, which was marketed by trade names Recombivax and Engerix B. India is the fourth country in the world after USA, France and Belgium to develop an indigenous hepatitis B vaccine. The first clinical gene therapy was given in 1990 by French Anderson to a 4-year-old girl with adenosine deaminase deficiency. Dolly was the first mammal sheep clone developed by Ian Wilmot and Campbell in 1997. More than 90% of cloning attempts failed to produce a viable offspring. Ian Wilmot and Campbell removed 277 cells from the udder of an adult sheep and fused those cells with 277 unfertilized egg cells from which the nuclear material was removed. After culturing the resulting embryo for 6 days, they implanted 29 embryos into the surrogate mother's womb and only one dolly was produced. In 1919, Hungarian agricultural engineer Karl Erke coined the term biotechnology. Van Hoff proposed that with the increase of every 10 degrees Celsius, the rate of metabolic activity doubles and the reaction rate is halved with the decrease of 10 degrees Celsius. This rule is referred as the Van Hoff's rule. The effect of temperature and the rate of reaction is expressed in terms of temperature coefficient or quotient 10 value. The quotient 10 values are estimated taking the ratio between the rate of reaction at 10 x degree Celsius and the rate of reaction at x 10 degree Celsius. In the living system, the quotient 10 Q10 value is about 2.0. If the Q10 value is 2.0, it means 10 degree increase and the rate of metabolism doubles. When water freezes 0 degree Celsius, it contracts. The maximum density of liquid water occurs at 4 degrees Celsius. Below that, it expands markedly. Aquatic biomes. They occupy about 71% of the biosphere. Tundra biome. Precipitation is less than 250 mm per year. The taiga is 1300 to 1450 km wide zone south of the tundra. Summer temperature ranges from 10 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius. Precipitation ranges about 380 to 1000 mm annually. The snow zone of Himalaya lies over 5100 meter above mean sea level, and alpine zone exists at a height of 3600 meter. Tropical forest. They occur near the equator between latitudes 23.5 degree at north and 23.5 degree at south. The average annual temperature ranges between 20 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Precipitation is evenly distributed throughout the year with annual rainfall exceeding 2000 mm. Flora is highly diverse. 1 square kilometer may contain as many as 1000 different tree species. Trees are 25 to 35 meter tall. Temperate forest, moderate climate, and a growing season of 140 to 200 days during 4 to 6 frost-free months distinguish temperate forest. Annual temperature varies from 30 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Precipitation 750 to 1500 mm is distributed evenly throughout the year. Flora is characterized by 3 to 4 tree species per kilometer square. Mediterranean forest precipitation is concentrated in winter, less than 1000 mm per year. Temperate coniferous forest, mild winters, high annual precipitation greater than 2000 mm per year. Temperate broad-leaved rainforest, mild frost-free winters, high precipitation greater than 1500 mm per year. Desert biomes. Desert cover about 1/5 of the Earth's surface and occur where rainfall is greater than 50 mm per year. Mean annual temperature ranges from 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. The extreme maximum ranges from 43.5 to 49 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature sometimes drop to 18 degrees Celsius. Camels are able to regulate water effectively for evaporate cooling through the skin and respiratory system, and excrete highly concentrated urine and can also withstand dehydration up to 25% of their body weight. The 1992 UN Earth Summit defined biodiversity as the variability among living organisms from all sources, including terrestrial, marine, and other aquatic ecosystems and the ecological complexes of which they are a part. The tundra and taiga of northern Canada, Alaska, northern Europe, and Russia possess less than 12 species of trees The temperate forests of the United States have 20 to 35 species of trees, while the tropical forests of Panama have over 110 species of trees in a relatively small area. India has more than 50,000 genetic variants of paddy and 1,000 variants of mango. The current estimate of different species on Earth is around 8 to 9 million. So far, about 1.5 million species of microorganisms, animals, and plants have been described. Each year, about 10 to 15,000 new species are identified and published worldwide, of which 75% are invertebrates. Thus, tropics harbor more biodiversity than temperate or polar regions, especially between the latitudes of 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south, Tropic of Cancer to the Tropic of Capricorn. Colombia, located near the equator 0 degree, has nearly 1,400 species of birds, while New York at 41 degree north has 105 species, and Greenland at 71 degree north has 56 species. India, with much of its land area in the tropical latitudes, is home for more than 1,200 species of birds. Decrease in species diversity occurs as one ascends a high mountain due to drop in temperature. Temperature decreases at 6.5 degree C per kilometer above mean sea level. Erode Junction is about 171 meters above mean sea level. The temperature vary between 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius in tropics. German naturalist and geographer Alexander von Humboldt explored the wilderness of South American jungles and found that within a region the species richness increased with increasing area, but up to a certain limit. Regression coefficient eject generally has a value of 0.1 to 0.2 regardless of taxonomic group or region. However, in case of the species area relationship in very large area like entire continents, the slope of the line appears to be much steeper. Eject value in the range of 0.6 to 1.2. For example, in case of the fruit-eating frugivorous birds and mammals in the tropical forest of different continents, the slope is found to be a steeper line of 1.15. The Himalayan region, an extension of the Tibetan Plateau, high altitude cold desert in Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Lahaula Spiti, Himachal Pradesh, comprising 5.7% of the country's landmass. Himalayas, the entire mountain chain running from northwestern to northeastern India, comprising a diverse range of biotic provinces and biomes, and covers 7.2% of the country's landmass. Indian desert, the extremely arid area west of the Aravalli hill range, comprising both the salty desert of Gujarat and the sand desert of Rajasthan. It comprises 6.9% of the country's landmass. Semi-arid zone. This zone is between the desert and the Deccan Plateau, including the Aravalli hill range, covering 15.6% of the country's landmass. Western Ghats. Western Ghats are mountain ranges along the west coast of India, extending over almost 1500 kilometers from Sakpena in South Gujarat to the southernmost tip of Kerala. The annual rainfall is about 2000 millimeter. Deccan Peninsula. This covers much of the southern and south central plateau with a predominantly deciduous vegetation and 4.3% of the country's landmass. Gangetic plains. These plains are relatively homogeneously defined by the Ganges river system and occupy about 11% of the country's landmass. Northeast India, with 5.2% of the country's landmass, this region represents the transition zone between the Indian, Indo-Malayan and Indo-Chinese biogeographical regions and is the meeting point of the Himalayan mountains and peninsular India coastal region. Coastal region of India with sandy beaches, mud flats, coral reefs, mangroves constitutes 2.5% of the total geographical area. The coastline from Gujarat to Sundarbans is estimated to be 5,423 km long. Apart from this, a total of 25 islands constitute the Lakshadweep, which are of coral origin and have a typical reef lagoon system rich in biodiversity. The fauna includes native crabs, turtles, tunas, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and the Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal have highly diverse set of biomes, constituting 0.3% of the total geographical area, even though India is one of the 17 identified mega diverse countries of the world. It faces lots of threats to biodiversity. Individual home range of lion can be about 100 square kilometer. Habitat loss, fragmentation and destruction affects about 73% of all species. The most dramatic example of habitat loss comes from the tropical rainforest. 14% of the earth land surface once covered by this tropical forest is not more than 6% now. 90% of New Zealand wetlands have been destroyed and cleared for cultivating soybeans and rising grass for beef cattle. Dodo passenger pigeon, a Steller sea how have become extinct in the last 200 to 300 years due to over-exploitation by humans. Tilapia fish, Jilebi Kende, Oreochromis mozambicus, introduced from east coast of South Africa in 1952. The introduction of the Nile perch, a predatory fish, into Lake Victoria in East Africa led to the extinction of the ecologically unique assemblage of more than 2,000 nature species of cichlid fish in the lake. In shifting cultivation, plots of natural tree vegetation are burnt away and the cleared patches are farmed for 2 to 3 seasons. IUCN Red List 2004 documents the extinction of 784 species in the 500 years. It is estimated that the current rate of biodiversity loss is 100 to 1000 times higher than the naturally occurring extinction rate and is still expected to grow in the future. A hotspot is a region that supports at least 1500 endemic vascular plant species, 0.5% of the global total. As lost more than 70% of its original vegetation. There are 35 biodiversity hotspots in the world. India is home for 4 diversity hotspots as per ENVIS. In 1998, there were 1,102 animal and 1,197 plant species in the IUCN Red List. In 2012, the list features 3,079 animal and 2,655 plant species as endangered worldwide. In the 450 million years of life on Earth, there had been 5 mass extinctions which had eliminated at least 50% of the species of flora and fauna on the globe. A mass extinction occurred about 225 million years ago during the Permian, where 90% of shallow water marine invertebrates disappeared. The concept of Red List was mooted in 1963. The natural resources of Earth, including air, water, land, flora, and fauna of natural ecosystems, must be safeguarded for the benefit of the present and future generations. Through careful planning and management as appropriate principle of the Stockholm Declaration 1972. George the tree snail, Citrinella apex palva, died on January 1, 2019 at the age of 14. The International Union for Conservation of Nature IUCN is an organization working in the field of nature conservation and sustainable use of natural resources. It was established in 1948 and located at Gland, Vidi, Switzerland. Although all the biodiversity hotspots together cover less than 2% of the Earth land area, the number of species they harbor is extremely high, and protection of these hotspots could reduce the ongoing loss. World Conservation Monitoring Center has recognized 37,000 protected areas worldwide. India has about 771 protected areas covering 1,62,099 kilometers square, comprising of national parks 104, wildlife sanctuaries 544, biosphere reserves 18, and several sacred groves. The government of India launched the Project Tiger in 1973 to protect our national animal from 9 tiger reserves. Since its inception, the Project Tiger coverage has increased to 50 at present. Project Tiger was launched in the Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand in 1973. The National Tiger Conservation Authority is a statutory body of the ministry created under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. India holds over half the world's tiger population. According to the latest tiger census report released on 20th January 2015 by NTCA, the current tiger population is estimated at 2,212. There are 50 tiger reserves in the country. There are 104 existing national parks in India covering an area 40,501 kilometers square, which is 1.23% of the geographical area of the country. National Wildlife Database August 2018. Some restricted human activities are allowed inside the sanctuary area of the Wildlife Protection Act WPA 1972. There are 544 existing wildlife sanctuaries in India covering an area of 118,918 km square, which is 3.62% of the geographical area of the country. National Wildlife Database 2017. The Madras Crocodile Bank Trust and Center for Herpetology was the brain child of the legendary Romulus Whitaker and a handful of like-minded conservation visionaries who began work on the facility in 1976. The scheme called Biosphere Reserve was implemented by the Government of India in 1986. There are 18 biosphere reserves in the country. Aringer Anna Zoological Park is spread over an area of 602 hectares of reserve forest at Vandalur, Chennai. It is one of the largest zoo in Southeast Asia in terms of area. The zoological park exhibits different classes of animals. It has around 2,500 wild animals of nearly 180 species, of which includes mammals, birds and reptiles. 34 years since its establishment, the zoological park has emerged as a successful executive conservation center and a captive breeding center for many endangered species like Royal Bengal tiger, lion-tailed macaco, nilgiri, langur, grey wolf, etc. The zoo has many attractive features like butterfly park, children's park, walk-through, aviary, lion and deer safari, forest museum, interpretation center, etc., which attracts more than 21 lakh visitors every year. 24/7 animal live streaming was introduced for the benefit of the visitors for the first time in the world. In the year 2018, more than 400 students were trained and titled as zoo ambassadors. This increased exploitation of biological resources has resulted in the loss of species at levels currently estimated to be 100 times faster than the natural rate of loss prior to significant human intervention. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was enacted in 1981 and amended in 1987 for the prevention, control and abatement of air pollution in India. Traffic emissions standards. The government has decided to enforce Bharat Stage 6 norms from 2020. Average human consumption of oxygen per day 550 liter. Cost of 2.75 liter oxygen cylinder equal to 6,500. Cost of 550 liter of oxygen from tree equal to 13 lakh. Oxygen production by one healthy tree per year 1 lakh 375 liter. Cost of 2.75 lakh 23 crore 72 lakh 50,000. On January 18, 2017, the cargo ship collided at the Ennur coast in Chennai, causing oil to spill into the sea due to wave action and the southern current. The spill spread over to 34 km down south, affecting the coast. Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, Section 17 to party prohibit the pollution of a stream or well by disposal of polluting matter. Assessment of CPCB. The number of polluted stretches in India rivers has increased to 351 from 302 in 2006, and the number of critically polluted stretches where water quality indicators are the poorest has gone up to 45 from 35. Source: The Hindu, 17 September 2018. Namami Gange, National Mission for Clean Ganga program is an integrated conservation mission approved as the flagship program of the Union Government in June 2014 with a budget outlay of 20,000 crores to accomplish the twin objectives of effective abatement of pollution, conservation and rejuvenation of river Ganga. The threshold of pain is about 120 decibel. Article 48A and Article 51A of the Constitution of India Noise Pollution Regulation and Control Rules 2000 and Tamil Nadu State Environment Policy 2017 are some of the legal relief from noise pollution. According to Noise Pollution Regulation and Control Rules 2000, the permissible limit of noise in areas categorized as commercial is 65 decibels dB during the day and 55 dB during night. Realizing the importance of clean potable water, the government passed the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act in 1974, which made it mandatory to treat wastewater in treatment plants. G. Nammalwar planted 52 varieties of trees in the same vast land extending in 20 acres. Every day, around 5,400 metric tons (MT) of garbage is collected from the city. Remedies 4 are reduce, reuse, recycle. Mantra is the best available remedy for plastic waste pollution. Tamil Nadu state government successfully implemented the ban on single-use plastics from 1st January 2019. Major international environmental conventions. 1972 UN Conference on Human Environment, Stockholm, Sweden. 1972 UN Environment Program, UNEP, Stockholm, Sweden. 1987 Montreal Protocol, Vienna. 1989 Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, Geneva, Switzerland. In 1992 Earth Summit, Rio de Janeiro, Agenda 21, otherwise called Rio Conference, Brazil. In 1997 Kyoto Protocol, Japan. In 2002 World Summit on Sustainable Development, Johannesburg, South Africa. 2003 World Climate Change Conference, Moscow, Russia. 2012 UN Conference on Sustainable Development, Rio de Janeiro. 2015 UN Sustainable Development Summit, New York. 2016 Montreal Protocol Amendment at Kigali, Rwanda. 2017 the COP23 Climate Change Summit in Bonn, Germany. 2018 UN Climate Change Conference Katowice, Poland. Climate change threatens Nilgiri Thor. The endangered wild goat could lose approximately 60% of its habitat starting from the 2030s, the Hindu 12/8/2018. At about 15 and 30 kilometers from the ground level, the Earth's atmosphere has a thin layer of ozone which absorbs ultraviolet sunlight. World Ozone Day, September 16, has been designated by the United Nations as the International Day for the preservation of the ozone layer. The ozone layer was discovered in 1913 by the French physicist Charles Babbage and Henry Buisson. But due to deforestation, it is estimated that the Earth loses 18.7 million acres of forest per year. In 2016, global tree cover loss reached a record of 29.7 million hectares. The Chipko movement resisted the destruction forests of India in 1970s. Sundarlal Bahuguna was the leader of this movement. The forest man of India, Jadhav Bayang, who created 1,360 acres of dense and defiant forest, was born in Arunachapuri, a river island on the Brahmaputra. He had just completed his class 10 exams in 1979 when he started to sow the seeds and roots on the eroded island covered with sand and silt. Amrita Devi was a brave lady from Kejarali village of Jodhpur district, Rajasthan. She sacrificed her life to maintain Bishnoi Dharma. In 1730, Maharaja Abhay Singh, ruler of Marwar, Rajasthan state, wanted to log green gajri, prosopis cineraria trees to burn lime for the construction of his new palace. But king's men killed Amrita Devi along with more than 363 other Bishnois. For his remarkable initiative, the Jawaharlal Nehru University invited Bang in 2012 on Earth Day and honored him with the title of the Forest Man of India. Later, the President APJ Abdul Kalam felicitated him with a CAS award in Mumbai. The same year, he received the Padma Shri. About 150 liters of wastewater at an average is generated by an Indian individual daily, and a large amount it is generated from toilets. Thank you.